Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Battle.net scan and repair stuck in Windows. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to run the Battle.net as administrator mode. For that you need to just right click and click on run as administrator. So the second, end Battle.net and agent process. So for that you need to enter into your task manager. Over there, right click the Battle.net and please end task it. So the third step is to scan and repair the game. So for that you need to enter into your settings. Yeah, over there, your settings, in the sense it's in the app settings. Just enter into the apps and then gear icon and then click scan and repair and click begin scan. So it will take roughly 10 to 20 minutes. So the fourth step is to install Windows Update. For that you need to enter into your settings and then Windows Update, then click check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. Now it's downloading. So the fifth step is to delete the Battle.net. For that you need to press Windows R and then type percentage program app data percentage. So over there, please delete the Battle.net folder and Wizard Entertainment folder. So it automatically open once you open the application. So the next step is to reinstall the application. For that you need to uninstall first. So just enter into apps and then install the apps and then search for application and uninstall it. So after that, once you uninstall, please do install by using your web browser or Microsoft Store. So the last step is to restart your PC. So I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.